Hello, and welcome to your new channel for incredible information. Today, I will be discussing the amazing technology called 3D printing. First conceptualized by Chuck Hull in 1983, the older-than-expected technology has come a long way in its 35-year lifespan and in recent years. Hull's vision for 3D printing came with the invention of stereolithography, the process of laying down and solidifying resin with light and thin layers. After patenting his idea in 1986, Hull went on to form 3D Systems, one of the leading 3D printing companies in the world today. Years after 3D Systems' upbringing, other inspired inventors and entrepreneurs developed their own unique 3D printing technologies and built businesses out of them. Because of them, at this point there are 10 mainstream 3D printing technologies, all with different purposes, costs, and qualities. To review all of the differences in these variations would take hours, so I'm going to quickly sum up the basics of all of them. Basically, in a 3D printer, liquefied resin, filament, or other material gets laid down by a moving extruder into very thin layers that solidify immediately. After each layer is made, another one is created on top, and then another, and another, until a full three-dimensional object has been created off the thin layers. All of this action is driven by human-designed computer models that are then transmitted to the 3D printers where they are translated into the motions of the extruder. So, now that we know how this technology works, let's learn about how 3D printers have done recently and what future they have ahead of them. Well, as we already know, many 3D printing companies sprouted from the 1980s and 90s, all with ambitions of revolutionizing industry, getting 3D printers into every household, and making affordable models. However, nothing like this was accomplished until 2009, when 3D Systems released the first commercially available BFB Rapman 3D printer. Several years later, other companies released their own printers at even more affordable prices. By 2012 and 2013, models as cheap as $300 have been released. In addition, industrial 3D printers were on the rise. Mainstream media picked up on the technology, and some people called it the next industrial revolution. A new maker movement consisting of thousands of hobbyists started developing. Now, metal 3D printing has emerged and is threatening to completely change industry and the traditional factory system. Innovators are coming up with ways to create 3D printed meals, houses, medicines, custom jewelry, and more. Even cooler, researchers are developing ways to create 3D printed organs. That would be truly incredible. If this succeeds, the medical field will change in every way, and many diseases and health issues will be solved. In addition, schools are incorporating this new technology rapidly, and within a decade from today, children will be bringing home 3D printed school projects. So obviously, this incredible technology has an exciting future ahead. Almost every industry will be upended by this unstoppable and exciting technology. So, now that I've discussed 3D printing, I'd like to know your thoughts on the subject in the comments. Also, if you liked the incredible information you learned today, please like and subscribe for weekly content on the coolest subjects. Finally, I have a few other really cool videos you should check out. The support would be really appreciated, especially since I'm a brand new channel. So thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.